Yeah, she's the best. That was something.
So we are here in our work studio, Bantu and Marianne. This is our first proper residency. But it's to do the signage for our building. And yeah, we know this brief was just our basic, like moving forward and what we decided what this place is going to be, like Xhosa industrial rustic kind of feeling, but very much Xhosa culture. And this is what they came up with. Over there is their sketch. If you look at that window over there, there's the sketch they gave us. So you can see some of the examples that they're working from. And this is basically what they showed us. They showed us this one first. And we kind of really liked their style. And it really captures what Emthonjeni hopes to represent. Very stylish, very nice, subtle, clean, coastal Hamburg, beautiful Xhosa country that we are in. So let me introduce you to the two. This is Bantu.
Hi.
So he's from NMMU. And you're doing a master's at NMMU, right? And so this is him taking some time during his master's to come and be with us and do this with us. So tell us a little bit about the process and...
Lots of blisters, but we love what we do, so we're not complaining. And thank you to Sasa and the team for inviting us. We don't want to go home.
We're paying them, actually. We're not going to do, it's not a regular thing that's paying off the artists. And this is Marianne. So Marianne, you want to tell us a bit about yourself and how you got involved in the project?
Bantu and I studied together at the NMMU. We've known each other from first year. Let me take this up. And we studied together up to Masters, where I changed into education. We've done a lot of projects together, and hence we are very confident that this is going to come out beautifully because we work very well together. We appreciate the intention of the whole design, capturing the Xhosa and the rustic environment. So we've decided to go with this particular palette, and this is what we're busy with.
So even with our signage, we're rocking it.
We had to go for the elements where the female skirts and the facial decorations and everything, because I guess in terms of pattern they were nicer and they were reflective of what this place is about.